One of the things I see all the time is people get stuck before they even get started. So we're gonna make it super easy to get started. We're gonna call it the big idea. You do not need perfection, you just need a general direction. What is it generally that you think you wanna do? So here are some of the nuggets that I have seen turn into incredible community businesses. I just wanna help people with their health. Great. That is a perfect place to start. We can get more and more specific from there, but you don't need more than that. Another, I'm obsessed with, or I can't stop thinking about, in this case, film photography. Wonderful. That's perfect. I keep having the same conversations about money with my friends. Finally, I love this. It is such a great little formula, which is, man, I wish I knew. Man, I wish I knew this when I graduated. Man, I wish I knew this 6 months ago. When you have that moment, stop yourself and say, wait a second, is this an opportunity to create a community business? Watch the video here to learn how.